So it'll be a 4-4-2 formation with Lalo Delgado in net from left to right. Kingsford Ajay and Rodolfo Castro are up top for the two center forwards. For those who don't know, Windsor, Colorado sits north of Denver and just southeast of Fort Collins. So here we go. This is where Northern Colorado can be dangerous, and they want to use Bruno Rendón's height and athleticism to get through that crowd and play for a deflection. That's exactly what they do, and that one's in! Northern Colorado strikes in the second minute. And just as they did last time on May 11th, for the second time in a row, they strike within 2 minutes of play. It was in a shuffle. It was going to be anticipated. So a little bit of a mix-up there. One Knox trying to go a little too quickly on Hailstorm. Ritchie with a soft touch to Johnson. Johnson, they love him in set pieces, playing for the header. Jolted up into the air, off the back of Horde, settled down, shot just over the net. Corner here from Johnson. It's up and into the hands of Delgado. Into the box it goes. It's a cross, good opportunity, and Sean Lewis dives to his right to make that save. Near interception there by Stuart Ritchie. Dumped in. Hailstorm making some noise. It's floated. Possible header attempt. Just wide. That one off the head of Ethan Horde. Dietrich with the interception. Horde turning and facing. Shot opportunity just to the left of Lewis. And they figured that out in the last 20 minutes. Now the question is, can they do it for the remaining 45? That one knocked down. That was Ajay's free kick. Sent over to the back stands. Horde, tripped up by Benton. Clean on the ball. Rendón might have a clean shot. Takes it. Save made by Lewis. What a way to end the first half. Oprah into the near right corner to King. King, one of the best at creating scoring chances over the middle. That ball down and collected by Lewis. Steered aside. O'Hearn to Kelly, back to O'Hearn. Near side in the middle, Ajay turning and facing. Shot at opportunity, save made by Delgado. Rendón battling with Thomas. Thomas does a good job of taking that ball away cleanly. No argument from Rendón. One Knox pushing. Far flank, Ajay on the near side. There for a possible reception. Brakes are put on. Sent back over to Thomas. Thomas over the middle to Johnson. Lets that one fly and way over the back fence. From far side to the near side. Here's Lucky Oprah. Gets a good touch. Nearing the edge of the box. Stuart Ritchie steps in. Deflects that across the middle. Up it goes. Billy King. Top of the arc. Dietrich lined up a massive shot and forced to make a save is Sean Lewis. Richard Ballard checking in for One Knox. And Kempis Tequila, one of the top goal scorers. All headed back. And this is why you bring Kempis Tequila, excuse me, and at this point of the game. They provide that pressure up front with Kingsford Ajay. Northern Colorado able to escape it. Rocket of a shot by Powder. Ends up in the midst of Lewis. Give and go action. Ball finds Kelly. Good opportunity here inside the box. And a big foul called. Yamazaki on the ground. So 2 yellows this evening for Northern Colorado. And here's Kempis Tequila with the opportunity of the night. That one's in! And Kempis Tequila ties this one up, coming in off the bench. Up it goes over to Jake Keegan. Keegan had to put the brakes on. Looks to slow the pace down, allow Northern Colorado to see what the defense is going to give them. Oprah swings it around from Fenwick over to into the middle to Langlois. Powder rips one. Save made by Lewis. For now, it looks like less than 90 seconds left in this one, and Northern Colorado in good position to possibly take a lead. This one in the air. Looks good from the start. Wow! It took stoppage time, but David Garcia answers the penalty kick conversion by Kempis Tequila and puts Northern Colorado back on top. Unbelievable. The exhaustion on the faces of the members of Northern Colorado right about their demeanor. And that's it. Northern Colorado answers late, and it's a 2-1 victory.